Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's quickly see VeChain what it's doing, okay? And I know the market has been a little bit shaky, but let's see. So VeChain, as I told you in the monthly time frame, like I'm bullish with VeChain as always, because one, it is holding this support line, okay? It is holding it pretty strongly, and you can see where the bounce is. It's right at the support for VeChain. Now, if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see that in the weekly time frame, it did this couple of times where the weekly candle closed below this line right over here, and then it created a bullish reversal candle. Okay, this is what you want to see for VeChain. Okay, even if this week the candle does close in this manner, you want to see this bullish candle being created. Okay, and momentum picks up and we get above this line over here. What does that mean? It means in the monthly time frame we will have another wick like that over here. Okay, so if the momentum can pick up, and I believe it will, because look at Bitcoin where it is right now. It's right over at the very bottom. Okay, and if we just take off that and show it to you in the daily time frame, we have this support. Okay, that's coming in play for. Let me take this off. So we have this support for Bitcoin, and it's going to consolidate over here and hopefully hold this support line for Bitcoin. And right after it breaks this resistance, movement will shift towards the upside. Okay, nothing is guaranteed, but it has done this in the past. Right over here, it makes these kind of patterns and then it moves to the upside. And whenever it goes in this straight line, okay, like a consolidation, you will see that coming in the coming days. Okay, now same goes for VeChain. Okay, when that happens, because the market is following Bitcoin, okay, you will see a green candle here and a movement to the upside, because this support is it's valid until it's broken towards the downside. So let's see what's going on in the daily time frame. Okay, we do have to overcome this resistance. Okay, and look at this. So this is what's going on with VeChain right now. It's in this pattern. Okay, and VeChain does this these patterns quite often. Look at this, same pattern over and over again, and you can see over here it's trying to find a bottom over here. You can see all these candles. Look at these candles. This is a bullish candle, this is a bullish candle, and it's in the daily time frame. So we are making progress right now, and let's see the RSI as well. Okay, okay, you can see a bullish divergence taking place in the daily time frame. I can just show it to you. Okay, you can see the price is moving towards the downside, and the RSI, this is sorry, this is a hidden bullish divergence actually, is moving towards the upside. Okay, so a lot of accumulation is being done in this area. So I can show you this over here as well, where the price was, and this is in the daily. So when it's in the daily, it's a little bit it's more powerful, let's just put it this way. Look, the price is coming down, the RSI momentum went up. Okay, the only time this can be invalidated is if the RSI breaks this line and comes to the downside. Okay, if it breaks, does something like this and moves down, then it's broken. If it does that, then I'll tell you one thing, that Bitcoin is breaking this support line. Okay, but overall I think things are looking good for VeChain, and this is a very good accumulation zone actually. And Hopefully, market can make a quick move to the upside, and VeChain can get to its target because it is creating. Check this off. Okay, it is creating this really beautiful symmetrical triangle. Look at this. Okay, and guess what? This was a buying zone. This was a buying zone. Same goes. This is a buying zone. If you look in the weekly time frame, let's see something. Take this off. So you can see, let's right over there. Okay. So you can see, I mean, it looks good in the weekly as well. Uh, and let me tell you about the moving average, okay? The 100 moving average is playing out pretty nicely with VeChain. Okay, so this is the 100 moving average, the purple line, okay? And you can see when VeChain dropped over here, obviously people thought the game is done, game is over. Then 100 moving average came and it said, no, it's not. We are going up. And look at that. After it touched the 100 moving average, where did VeChain go? It just took off. So a lot of people were probably, who were here. Okay, let me show you. Let's put the line. Okay, a lot of people who were in this run, okay, who bought VeChain, let's say right over here, okay, right over here or here, okay. When this one came up, they probably thought that the price is going down, down, down. It broke the 20, broke the 25, 55, and they were pretty scared for, uh, the price action. So the 100 moving average came in and said, no, game is not over yet. And it look where the price went. This is a very similar situation right over here. Now, if VeChain loses this 100 moving average and it loses this support line and it loses this low over here, okay? That is the signal, and everything I said is just bullshit, okay? But until or unless you are above this support, you are above the 100 moving average, you are above this, you are still bullish, okay? Because this is how it works. I mean, if the first signal should be losing the support line, second signal is losing the 100, third one is losing this low, then a bear market can start, okay? But you haven't done that yet, okay? So um, you have to respect the patterns then, okay? And if this plays out like that, then VeChain has a long way to go, okay? And the bull market is not over, because even Bitcoin, it hasn't broken this support line yet, and it's making good, nice patterns right now, bullish patterns actually. And there's also a bullish divergence taking place for Bitcoin. If it breaks this support line, comes down and breaks this level over here, the 40,000 level, yeah, then that's a signal. Bear market can start, okay? But until or unless I don't see those kind of signals, I cannot just make assumptions bear market has started and or VeChain is going to zero. These are actually really good zones to accumulate VeChain, okay? And if when VeChain was right over here, or right over here, people thought that was a good opportunity for VeChain. When it was at 9 cents, 12 cents, that was a really good zone, because people probably thought that it was going to come down to the resistance, make this kind of pattern. Let me just take this off. Make 9, 12 cents were really good areas. So if people were willing to buy it at that price, I think this is a steal for VeChain, okay? But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just I just do this for knowledge and entertainment purposes. But this is a really good like a I would say, a juicy price to get into VeChain. Okay. If it breaks that, then those are your signals: 100 moving average, this support line, and this low over here. Those are your signals. But until then, it doesn't do that, I'm still going to remain bullish with VeChain. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, and like my channel if you are bullish with VeChain, if you're trying to get into VeChain, subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Thank you.